HDR iPhone photo for real estate. What is HDR and what are the benefits? HDR stands for High Dynamic Range and shows more details of a photo. For example, you can see the difference in quality between a normal photo and an HDR photo here. Good news, your iPhone does have an HDR feature. Just make sure to turn on the HDR mode. The following affordable third-party apps take better HDR photos than the native iPhone camera app. The Photo Perfect app is specifically designed for real estate photography. However, the app costs $29.99. The key to taking great HDR photos is ensuring you stabilize your iPhone. Since it will take 2 or more photos and combine them for crisper details, the phone needs to be still. To keep your phone stabilized, use a tripod and a Bluetooth trigger, as shown in the first video of this iPhone's tip series. What other factors will make your listing photos look professional and aesthetically pleasing? Composition. And this will be discussed in our next video. Thank you for watching.